Hey, what's happening, guys? It's Cody here from Tipsy Rivers, and we got another Lasfit versus Auxito video for you here. So Lasfit actually came out with a new set of bulbs. They're supposed to be brighter, and the last comparison video, I compared the bulbs on my Ford Ranger with Auxito, and by the values of the brightness and the comparison, it really wasn't fair because Lasfit didn't have a comparative bulb out yet. So they actually reached out to me. They wanted me to do a review and do a comparison. So I have the high beams and the low beams for the Auxitos, and I have the same for the Lasfit here. I also have, I believe they're the fog lights, but I do not have a set of those, so we're really not going to compare those. We're going to kind of try to compare these to the best I can. So, but before I kind of showed up a screen, put up everything on there, but these specifically, I have the 9005 bulbs in the Lasfit and the H8911, same with the Auxito. So I'm going to do a comparison video. So right now I actually have the Lasfit in the low beam, or no, sorry, Lasfit in the high beam and the Auxitos in the low beam, because the Auxitos were way brighter. But now we can go ahead and try to do a comparison video. So I'm going to go ahead, swipe to that, show you the stats on it.
Okay, so the Lasfit come in at $159 and on sale for $129. You also get a free set of marker lights, I believe they are. This is the 4th gen version of them. This is a 9000 bulb that you can see, and then this is a comparison of the halogen versus LED. So you can kind of go in here and take a look at all the stats. I'm not going to go over everything because there's just a lot to cover. But basically, this is a 2 bulb set, 1 pair of gloves. They're 130 watts per bulb and 6500 lumens with 6500K color. All right, so these are the comparative, and these are the ones I got, the Auxitos. They're $110 on sale for $75.99. So they are 25% off, I believe, for the Black Friday. So go ahead and, take a look at both sites for their Black Friday sales. So this isn't a 40 watt bulb per bulb, 80 watt per set, 16,000 lumens per set and 8,000 lumens per bulb. You can use these as a low beam or a high beam, depending on your connection or your bracket. I think they include an extra bracket to put in your housing, but these do have a lifespan of 50,000 hours, and I believe Lasfit is very similar in this sense. But go on their website to look at all the details to kind of compare.
So now that you've seen the stats, you can kind of tell for yourself the price, the value, the cost, how much you want to do it with. That's all up to you guys. I'm just showing you here. So we're on there's a sale going to be for Black Friday, probably for Auxito and probably for Lasfit. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to install the Auxito in the low beam as well, and then I'm going to show you a nighttime of the Auxito, and then I'll show you a nighttime of the Lasfit, kind of comparison to the two, just kind of a nice short clip with comparison. And then just to let you know, they are having a Black Friday sale, Lasfit is, so make sure to go check that out today before the sale ends. But anyways, we will go ahead and get right to it. So I haven't taken a look, so diabolical. I put the Lasfit in there, but the size comparison is actually pretty ridiculous on the old Lasfit ones versus the Auxito ones. Very big difference in size. That might be a difference in the fan, how it disputes, or I guess distributes the heat and everything for them. So I'm not sure. I know that one of them is real loud. I can hear them hear one of the fans going whenever I have them plugged in. I don't know if it's a Lasfit or the Auxito, but we're gonna get this Auxito put in there. We're gonna get a nice clip of this, and yeah, so we will go ahead and show that here on this next clip. So stay tuned. All right, so this is with the Auxito low beams. We're gonna do a little, this is Auxito. We'll do 30-second video of the low beams, and we'll do 30 seconds with the high beams, and then we'll show you the Lasfit. So really bright light, low beams, super bright. Can't complain. Can't complain about the Auxitos. Top-notch bright lights. Well worth every penny that you're gonna spend on them. And now we'll go ahead and do the high beams. You can see, and boom. So I don't fully do it justice as I have them down. They are so bright that I actually had to aim my low beams and my high beams down at one point, but this is with the high beams. So very bright, super bright. Yeah, so Auxito, you be the judge. Very, very bright. E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Alright guys, this is the low beam on the Lasfit going, and then once we get to the road, we'll pop on the high beams. So this is the low beam. I do have these angled down a little further than necessary, just because they are super bright. They do angle in people's faces with the reflectors and the bulbs, but my only complaint with the Lasfit is they're too long and I can't put my housing on them. So that is the number one thing I don't like about them. I don't know if that's gonna cause an issue. I'll try to put them on later and I'll give you an update on that. But here's the high beams. I don't know, arguably the high beams might be a little bit, I mean, I think the lumens is 1,000 more lumens, but the reflection, these seem like they go a little bit further out. I don't know, you guys tell me. All right, so something else I'm going to touch base on is I might do a giveaway because I'm not going to need all these bulbs. So comment below what you think, if you like the Lasfit or the Auxito. To get entered in, all you have to do is comment which ones you like, Lasfit or Auxito, and then we can maybe get some to you. But I hope this, I guess with all the details that are shown and in the specs and everything like that, you guys can decide which ones are better, but I'll give my honest opinion at the end of this video. All right, so let's talk about my consensus here. This is Lasfit's 4th generation of light bulbs. So a few things that they improved on them. So they added some copper tubing, some filtrates to it to help distribute the heat a little bit better. So they're longer lasting. They are they don't get as hot. So that's one of the features they added. They also added an external drive. Supposedly this helps distribute the heat as well. I think it absorbs some of the heat and takes it away from the bulb instead of actually,
you know, being right outside the bulb, because I mean, it is aluminum. Think about it, it does heat up, it's metal. So I'm not exactly how the science works in that, but basically it must pull it to that external drive at some way. I mean, if someone else knows, definitely speak on it, but look a little further into that one. So they added a different fan to it. They also added a newer heat sink technology to help, you know, cool down the light bulb, bring in the durability. And that's what they're claiming. They're claiming that this bulb is the brightest LED on the market. I'm not sure if I can attest to that, because if you look on Auxito's website, they have a 10,000 lumen bulb. They're also bulb that they test now, you know, I think is 8,000 compared to the 6,500 or the 6,000 lumens that Lasfit. So I'm not sure if you would have to test the two together, because I don't have a tester, but that is something. I think they're talking, you know, the brightest to the most reliable and the most consistent pattern. If you noticed in my first video of the Auxito, you could tell the pattern wasn't exactly the same. It was a little bit off. You could see there was a hot spot, cold spot somewhere in there, but that might have just been how I had it angled. But I try to keep them all perpendicular both ways, so then you can kind of see a consensus of like, or the same period of light for all of them. So I keep them all strapped. That's just how I install all of them. So with that being said, if you buy the Lasfit, you get an extra set of LEDs to go with it. So they are $159 compared to Auxito, which is $110, but just a bulb. But it really depends you know, I know Lasfit a little bit better than Auxito, but I've been using both of them actually in my truck, you know, I haven't had it long enough to tell you the longevity, the cooling effect. I know that one of them is way louder than the other, I will tell you that, but I don't know because I never actually took the time to tell which one. So 4th gen, I mean, if you're looking at it bare minimum, looking at it comparing to the 3rd gen, they look very similar. For me personally, they do not fit in my low beam side. They're a little bit too long, unfortunately, so I'm not going to be able to use those to actually use them daily, but I will go ahead and pop in my other ones, or the Auxitos, back in there. And plus, it gives me a test and, you know, longevity, and maybe I can come back to you guys with that. My personal opinion is either brand you go with here is you're getting a great bulb, either one. I know that Auxito does have a brighter light on theirs, or a brighter light that you can actually try out. I do not have that one personally, so I can't attest to the brightness, but I do want to make a note. You only need so bright of lights. Once you get too bright, then you're really going to start affecting other drivers' reliability. You're gonna be affecting other drivers. You don't want that. So you know, if you're gonna be purely using those for off-roading, yes, get the brighter ones, but you don't want too bright. Also because reliability issues, but also because you do not want to put other drivers at risk as well. Those are just my notes. I hope this video did some kind of justice, or kind of gave you a consensus. But anyways, check out the Black Friday sale Lasfit is doing, and Auxito, we're an affiliate with them as well, so I'll have links in both there for all the lights there. So go check them out. Appreciate you guys stopping by. See ya.